Well, today I have a very special guest with me here at the Seven Gables studio, Noemi Fleming. I love you, Noemi. You know that. And Noemi actually has gifts and talents that I must get out to anyone that I can about what you do, Noemi, and your purpose behind them. Now, you are an artist, Vivro art, right? One thing when it comes to real estate, really, for me, it's all about if investments are one thing, the home is the other. So when it comes to someone's home, you really want make people to feel the love. How are you sharing your gifts and talents through your art and doing that?
My art is very personal. It can be customizable, and so I think it brings that personal touch to anyone's home. You know, if you have a child and they're into nature, I create nature settings in
You
their
do
room.
those murals, right?
Yes.
Those beautiful murals.
Beautiful mural. You know, kids love nature in the woods, and it's just bringing that into their home and making it theirs. So
Yeah.
It's very personal.
Yeah, I love that. Well, you have a couple samples, so touch on or show what you've got there, and what were the inspiration behind each of these?
So for this one is, I live in Ladera Ranch, and so it's kind of my inspiration of Ladera and what I think Ladera looks like. I'm using metallics here. I'm French, and in France we have a lot of this color in the buildings.
Yeah.
So it's bringing, you know, my French background and then where I live, which is Ladera.
And this is all from your mind.
Yes.
I mean, you don't need a subject matter. You just paint what you feel.
Yes.
Okay,
that's
show us
right.
what else you got. That's beautiful, by the way. I love that.
Thank you. This other one is I do a lot of florals.
Okay.
And so florals are something I create a lot.
Wow, that is beautiful.
And this is kind of generic, can, you know, fit into any setting, room. And
Beautiful.
Lots of florals.
Yeah.
This one has a lot of metals as
I
well.
like the color too. I didn't know that metals create such a vibe. I didn't
Yeah.
realize that.
So
Yeah.
I'm really into metallic colors at the moment.
Okay. And what about this behind us? What's the inspiration for that?
So that one's actually New York, and so it's the arch at Central Park.
Oh, I love
So if
that.
you've ever been to Central Park, you
Yeah,
know,
yeah.
I love painting the big cities. So I love painting. I'm a world traveler. I've been to all of the major cities, and so New York City, Paris, London.
Yeah.
I paint a lot of the cityscapes.
I love that. Now, sometimes when people buy a home, they love to have a drawing or a piece of art with the outside of their house and they hang. Do you do that too?
Yes. I have done cards before. So if you buy a house or you're getting rid of your old home, I will paint your home for you so you can keep it forever.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I do that too.
Well, one thing that Naomi told me earlier is your deep, intense desire to use the gifts that God has given you. So what did you say about that earlier? Because listen, art is not easy. I know you have a gift for it, but it's not easy. What motivates you to keep on going when sometimes, you know, I just don't feel like painting some? What motivates you?
I know that God wants us to share our light with others. He wants us to share our talents. You know, He gives us the gift of imagination, the gift of creativity. And I think that sharing that with other people, making their homes feel special, it's really important gift, and it's something that I love to do.
Yeah.
You know, creating is close to my heart, and I just want to share that.
Well, and as a Christian too, she sent me a little information earlier on what kind of is your purpose for your work, right? And the word that kept coming up in what you were sending me was love. So when you are painting for a person asks you to do something, don't you always just have in your heart to trying to get that love into that art, right?
Yes, I want to instill in others love for each other, love for the place where they live, love for nature. You know, if they visited a place and they want a picture of it, anything like that, that they have a joyous experience.
Yeah.
You know.
Well, now, don't be mistaken by the cute little, you know, sweet Carolina girl here, even though you're just adorable. She also has a degree, that's like a bachelor's degree. You have your MBA. But when it comes to art, is this just a God-given talent? Did you study this? What's the thing?
I actually have an art minor.
Oh, you do?
But I grew up in France, and it's a very artistic city. As we all know, all the museums in the world are there.
Yeah, but I could live there, and I still wouldn't know how to draw a straight line. So that doesn't mean you're an artist just because you grew up there.
Growing up around art, and, you know, since I was a little girl, I loved to paint.
And you love to paint.
Yeah.
Oh, my gosh. Okay. So tell people how they can find you. Listen, she basically, one thing about Noemi, she wants to spread her gifts and talents with everyone who would like to feel the love that you put into your artwork. So how can people get a hold of you to do a painting for them or their house or a mural, whatever it might be?
Right. So I am on Instagram. Our handle is viviro.app, vivro.app. and that is to handle on Instagram.
Okay, so is that the best way to follow you? Get a hold of you?
Yes.
Just message you? Okay, well, listen, one thing about Noemi, she is as good as she and beautiful as she is on the inside and on the outside, and she has a passion for her work, a passion for using God's gifts that he's given her to help others, and a passion for spreading the love. So thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, Jules.